Item, SCP-551. Object Class, Safe. Special Containment Procedures. SCP-551 is to be contained in a simple cardboard box. It must be of an adequate size to carry all pieces of SCP-551. The box should be stored in a locker unit on Storage Site 23 and at least one Level 1 staff member is to be notified in the event of its removal. Description: SCP-551 is a standard 550 piece jigsaw puzzle, which should depict, in its finished form, the image of a solitary woman on a small rowboat, surrounded by a stormy sea. However, due to the nature of SCP-551's anomalous qualities, some details of the scene are left incomplete, such as the woman's face and data expunged. SCP-551 was found in the apartment after other residents complained of an odor seeping out from under the door. The severely malnourished body was discovered beside SCP-551, with several pieces still clutched in her hand. Roughly one-third of SCP-551 was pieced together on her floor. Multiple subjects testing SCP-551 stated that a completion of the puzzle seems inconceivable. The mental reactions of subjects to SCP-551 was diverse, apparently depending less on the puzzle and more on the personality of the subject. See Addenda 551-1, 2, 3, though the effects of SCP-551 on the psychology of subjects should not be overlooked.